Hi, my name is Dennis Hunter, Chief of the Detroit Fire Marshal Division. Today we're going to talk about the silent killer, carbon monoxide. Over 100,000 citizens visit the emergency room every year due to accidental carbon monoxide poisoning. So today we're going to talk about the do's and don'ts of using generators, gas stoves, or furnaces as a heating source or power source. Never point the exhaust from your generator toward your doors or the windows of your home. Carbon monoxide can't be seen, can't be smelled, and can't be heard. But carbon monoxide poisoning can be stopped. To prevent carbon monoxide poisoning, install battery-operated CO detectors in your home. Do not leave your vehicle running in your garage. This can also cause carbon monoxide to build up inside your dwelling. The Detroit Fire Department's Community Relations section provides free smoke detectors and free carbon monoxide detectors for Detroit residents. You can call 313-596-2959.